Welcome to 1070 Cockrell Drive. I'm Deborah Morton with Clario Real Estate, ready to show you the newest design trends in our newest listing. What I love about modern contemporary design is all the natural finishings and textures we're starting to see. This house has been newly refurbished, so it's an older house, but because of the light, bright, newer windows, the paint, the flooring, and then of course the design selections, it just is a very contemporary and livable feel that every family's gonna love. Open floor plans are highly desirable for everyone, and this home exemplifies that beautifully, while still maintaining the family spaces that makes your house a home. When you're ready to retreat, this primary suite is on the main level, lots of space, and even has private access to the patio. In my opinion, every home should be like a spa, with a rainfall shower head and a deep soaking tub. With two secondary bedrooms on the main floor and this additional bonus space upstairs, which could be a fourth bedroom, it does have an ensuite. It would make a great guest area, home office, playroom, or just an extra media room for the kids. One of the challenges people have when they give up their basement or a larger home is not having enough storage space. Well, with a walkout attic space, there's no problem with storage in this home. Isn't it irritating when listing videos never show the garage? Well, if you drive a car, you want to know about that space too. Is maintenance and just living simplified? Primary suite on main, laundry on main, big open airy spaces for family, and plenty of space for storage and for guests and home office. You couple all of that with a nice private backyard patio and a great location. We're in Kennesaw, really close to the Marietta Country Club, Mount Perrin Christian School, Kennesaw Mountain, with easy access to Interstate 75 and the Town Center Whole Foods Shopping District. This is a house you must see. Call me, Deborah Morton, Clario Real Estate.